Ever feel like you're carrying a mountain of stress and just need a moment to relax? Life today can feel like a constant sprint, leaving us with a heavy burden of stress that weighs us down. This can lead to a myriad of health problems, both physical and mental. But fear not, for there is a solution at hand: meditation. Meditation is an age-old practice with ample scientific evidence supporting its benefits in reducing stress and promoting relaxation. It's like a mini vacation for your mind, a safe haven where you can let go of your worries and rejuvenate your spirit. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 easy meditation techniques that can be your ticket to tranquility. These techniques are simple yet effective and can be practiced by anyone, anywhere. So whether you're a seasoned meditator or a beginner, there's something here for you. Now, prepare to dive into calmness with these simple meditation techniques. The first technique to introduce is mindful breathing. This practice is as simple as it sounds, but its impact can be profound. It starts with finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, then gently let it out. The key here is to focus entirely on your breathing. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils, fills your lungs, and expands your chest and abdomen. Then pay attention to the warm air leaving your body, carrying away any stress and tension. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Just gently guide your focus back to your breath. This focus on the present moment, on the simple act of breathing, helps to quiet the mind and let go of distracting thoughts. It's a journey of returning to yourself, one breath at a time. Remember, the key to mindful breathing is to focus on each breath, letting all your worries float away. Next up is the body scan meditation. This technique revolves around focusing your attention on different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light touching each part of your body. As it does, feel the tension melt away through each breath. Start with your toes, feel them relax, then move to your feet, your ankles, and continue moving upwards. Take your time with each area, allowing any tension to dissipate completely before moving on. Feel the light moving up your legs, your stomach, your chest, your hands, your arms, your neck, and finally your face and head. This technique is a journey through your body, a journey that enables you to connect deeply with yourself. It allows you to observe any discomfort or stress and gently encourages it to leave your body. By the end of a body scan meditation, you should feel a sense of relaxation throughout your entire body. Let's move on to loving kindness meditation. This meditation technique is all about cultivating a sense of love, kindness, and compassion, starting with yourself and then extending it out to the world. It's like sending a warm, gentle wave of positivity from your heart to the hearts of others. First, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Now visualize yourself and silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be safe, may I be healthy, may I live with ease." Feel the warmth and love directed towards yourself. After a few moments, bring to mind someone you care about. Repeat the phrases for them. May you be happy, may you be safe, may you be healthy, may you live with ease. Gradually extend this loving kindness to more people, even to those you may have difficulties with. With loving kindness meditation, not only do you promote relaxation, but also foster a positive outlook. Our final techniques are walking meditation and mantra meditation. Walking meditation is a dynamic practice that marries the physical act of walking with the mental discipline of meditation. It's about being aware of each step, each breath, and the sensations in your body as you move. It's a simple technique, but potent. You're not just walking, you're mindfully exploring the connection between your body and mind. Now let's move on to mantra meditation. This technique uses a calming word or phrase, your mantra, which you silently repeat to yourself to help focus your mind. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. Your mantra could be anything that resonates with you. It could be a word like peace or a phrase like I am calm. As you repeat your mantra, let its meaning permeate your consciousness, guiding you towards tranquility. Whether you're moving with walking meditation or sitting with mantra meditation, remember that the goal is relaxation and peace. Now, equipped with these 5 easy meditation techniques, stress can be a thing of the past. Let's quickly review: mindful breathing, body scan, loving kindness, walking, and mantra meditations. Each unique, yet all leading to the same destination of tranquility. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine for the best results. It may seem challenging at first, but with persistence, the path to relaxation becomes clearer. Remember, relaxation is just a meditation away. Start your journey to a stress-free life today.